Guys, there's no magic pill. There's nothing fancy here. It's called nutrition. It's called going to the grocery store, prepping your meals. It's called getting real with your nutrition, okay? There's no magic pill. Listen, if you want to be healthy, you got to do the work. Clean your vegetables, bring them home, and then make sure you're ready for the week ahead. Like I said, nothing fancy, guys. This is just hard work, dedication. Made my organic brown rice. Look at that. I'm gonna portion it out a half a cup at a time. Got my probiotic health here with my Kavita, my tomatoes. I got some spotty bananas for my smoothies. Got some bags of salad, spinach, some apple. I got some asparagus, my favorite. It is Mother Nature's diuretic. And I got my vegan meat. This is very good for you. High in protein, plant protein, eggplant, fennel, garlic, and red pepper. It is so spicy and nice. Whip that up with some brown rice, a little bit of tomato sauce. So dig in and win. Right, Santa?